So guys, thank you so much. So pause a little bit. This video is not just a very simple video. It's a video with a very powerful message because it happened on 12th of August. All right, it is in Kampala City, Uganda, East Africa. So this message, I'm going to pass a message along this video because a lot happened. Like a full truck just turned on people on barely on a normal road. You know, I wouldn't expect a car to fall there, but it happened because of some reasons. One, I'm sure overloading, or maybe like when you don't follow the rules of the road, the traffic laws. So we were just passing in town, and then just normal walking with crowds, and you're just there, and then suddenly I had this guy just shouting and just pointing on the other direction. On looking the other side, we saw this huge Fuso lorry. I think it was parked, man, like loaded. The goods were up on the sky, like, yo, I don't know how I can describe it, but yeah, it was heavily loaded. So it was just like some sort of a steep area with a corner, like with a curve. So when this guy was negotiating that corner with this load, the car had to overturn. It calls for our attention as drivers, as the public. Sometimes these people, I don't know how they bypass the traffic. You know, they're supposed to be stopped even before they take an inch. Like, I thought they measured the weight of goods being packed, you know, being loaded. I don't understand. So I don't know much about the casualties or injuries, because when it happened, crowds just went. I'm going to be continuing to show you this video. You watch up to the end and you're going to see for yourself what just happened in Kampala. So it was in an evening at around 3 to 4 p.m. You know, it was a rainy weather with some sort of drizzles when this happened. So people went and rushed around there. Others pretended to be helping, but which I'm not sure. I'm not gonna lie. So others went to pull out. I think the driver was inside and the conductor. So they had to go and remove this guy from his seat. So here's my message to the people out there. Before I continue with this video, please, let's consider road safety. Let's watch over for our neighbors, because when this truck went like this, like when it fell, it overturned. I don't know, maybe it fell on people, but on the other side you're gonna see it's just a motorbike which is crashed down there, and this oil from the truck is just flowing. Okay, it's flowing out. Like, it is so terrifying because that truck could catch fire, could burst, anything could happen. So it was so terrifying to me and to many people, because not everybody witnesses such things. So please, also you have to watch where you go, and these drivers moving around. There's nothing like the car is well built so it will not overturn. There's nothing like that. It's a machine. So if it loses control, it goes off. So guys, if you are a driver out there, I'm a driver, but I drive, I'm in class B, sorry. So it means I follow rules, but sometimes we have weaknesses. Maybe you could be having issues, you're not okay. Don't drive, man. Like, give another person who is capable, or take a leave or something if you have medical conditions, because you're gonna harm someone out there, which is going to cause more problems, you know. So we are using these platforms not for bad reasons, but to just educate the public out there, to inform the people on some things which are happening. So thank you for watching. Continue subscribing, like, share, comment. I'll be dropping new videos back to back, so stay tuned. Peace. Let me know what you think in the comment section about this current video which just happened. Muito bem.
Yes. Wenye ya katuli ndikube kwa nganje siye.
This pikipiki la ile mende. There's a motorbike here. Someone was shouting here.